Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we'll discuss how we can install extension pack on VirtualBox. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that if you're facing any issue on your virtual machine in VirtualBox, then you can simply install extension pack. Let me show you how you can install and set up extension pack on your VirtualBox. For that, simply open any browser and visit virtualbox.org wiki downloads. Don't worry, I'll provide this download link in the description box. And here scroll down to VM VirtualBox Extension Pack. Here simply click on all supported platforms and it will download the latest VirtualBox Extension Pack. Once the download is complete, simply minimize your browser and open VirtualBox. Here click on File, then click on Tools, and here simply select Extension Pack Manager, or else you can also use Ctrl T to open this setting. Now to install the downloaded extension, simply click on Install button and select your downloaded extension package file, then click on Open, and here you will find an option to install extension pack. Here click on Install button. Now accept the license agreement. For that, simply click on I agree and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, simply close VirtualBox and restart your system. For that, simply right click on Start button, select Shutdown and Sign Out and click on Restart. After that, try to use VirtualBox and your issue will be fixed. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.